Hi, I'm Odile Faludi and welcome. I'm a starting customer conversations specialist. It's sort of the modern twist on cold calling, but I have to tell you, I absolutely hate cold calling. You are starting a customer conversation, and once you have that mindset, you are ready to go. So there's a lot of myths surrounding cold calling, and so I thought I'd just demystify it. I have 10 tips for you, but today I really want to share with you the most important one. Cold calling is not a numbers game. Anyone who is told to ring 100 random people hoping to get some new business is kidding themselves. The callers who are getting really great results are not calling large numbers of people. In fact, clever salespeople are creating well-targeted lead generation lists and calling prospects who they believe are a perfect fit for their business. With correct professional coaching, business development managers, sales teams, sales entrepreneurs, really anyone who wants more business can learn the fine art of starting customer conversations. Research suggests that with 4 new business appointments every single week, over a year, you can gain 83 new customers in a year. That's something to smile about. If you'd like to learn more tips, follow me at LinkedIn or on Twitter at Odile Faludi. Catch you soon.